Hello and welcome back to the TubeTech Astro channel. StellaVita offers an open ecosystem, supporting not only various astronomical devices, but also over 60 DSLR and mirrorless cameras. In this video, we will use the Nikon Z63 mirrorless camera to demonstrate the connection and basic settings. Equipment needed: Nikon Z63, StellaVita, Hope D60 telescope, portable power bank, power adapter, USB to Type-C cable and Nikon Z mount adapter ring. Set the camera's shooting mode to M manual or S shutter priority. Select single mode. Set the shutter mode to bulb. Select focus mode, MF manual focus. Select image format, RAW. Select image quality, RAW. Turn off long exposure noise reduction and high ISO noise reduction. Disable wireless remote control and airplane mode. For USB connection, select ME-TP and PTP. Use the Nikon Z mount adapter ring to connect the camera to the telescope. Use the USB to Type-C cable to connect the camera to the StellaVita. Note: the Nikon Z63 used in this demonstration only requires a data cable. Important: some DSLR cameras require a shutter release cable for long exposures exceeding 30 seconds. Please refer to the official DSLR or mirrorless compatibility list on our website for details. Wired mode refers to wired bulb mode. It requires connecting both a data cable and a shutter release cable to achieve longer exposures. Manual mode refers to manual bulb mode. It requires connecting a data cable. After setting the camera to bulb mode, long exposures can be controlled via the app. Normal mode refers to standard bulb mode. It only requires a data cable. Long exposures are controlled entirely through the app. Here, using the Nikon Z63 as an example, only a data cable connection is needed. Connect the StellaVita to the power source and power it on. Turn on the StellaVita. Turn on the camera. After a beep sound, connect your mobile device to StellaVita's Wi-Fi. Open the StellaVita app and select your specific camera model to connect. For cameras requiring a shutter release cable for long exposures, enable the Use Shutter Cable for exposure control option within the app. Accurately enter the telescope's focal length, and you can set ISO, exposure, bin, etc. When using a DSLR or mirrorless camera for long exposure photography, ensure the camera battery is sufficiently charged to prevent interruptions during shooting that could lead to data loss.